Hi, I'm Dr. Asif Ali, and I have completed my PhD and two postdocs in molecular biology and genomics. In my teaching and mentoring experience, I have seen students from biomedical engineering, agriculture, and biology face challenges in data visualization. So, this problem becomes even more pressing when they prepare their thesis, research manuscript, or grant proposal. So, many turn to statistical coding in R and Python, but this demands weeks or even months for learning. For students with tight deadlines or limited coding experience, it can be really hard. So that is why web based tools come in. They allow you to create professional publication quality figure without complex programming. So in this course, I will show you how to use powerful online tools to create all kinds of biostatistical graphs, including bar chart, box plot, scatter plots, correlation matrix, survival curves, heat map, and even more advanced plot used in transcriptomics, metabolomics, and proteomics with just a single click. So you will learn not only how to make this figure, but also how to interpret them correctly and apply them in your thesis, publication, and presentation.